Dear students, this is module number 69 for the subject of strategic human resource management. This module is about the contingency approaches to SHRM. As I said that there are various models within the contingency perspective because it depends on some factors and there can be a myriad array of many factors. इन फैक्टर्स की बहुत सारी अरेंजमेंट हो सकती हैं, इन फैक्टर्स की बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हो सकती हैं, इन फैक्टर्स के बहुत सारे कम्बिनेशन हो सकते हैं और इन अदर वर्ड्स बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं जिनके ऊपर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजी डिपेंड करती. So we will see that according to Miles and Snow, what they suggest about what factors can influence what is the best way to manage employees or human resource of an organization. So Miles and Snow similarly linked HR approaches with three strategic options. Miles and Snow suggested that the organizations can have three types of strategies based on their business strategy. The first strategy is known as defender, second is prospector, and third is analyzer. We will talk about them briefly. Who are defenders or which companies are defenders in any sector or in the market? Some companies are trying to defend their position. Some companies are trying to defend their market share. Some companies are trying to defend their image or their brand value. So organizations who are trying to defend a position they have secured over the period of time. So operating in a stable market and concerned with defending their position. So in this type of strategy, business strategy, there are certain type of implications for HR strategy. If you want to defend your position, you may be consistent with your HR strategy, or you may be consistent when you are dealing with the human resource of the organization. Because any change in the human resource management or HR policy or HR strategy can destabilize your organization. A very smooth ride can result in a troublesome adventure. So, in a defending position, or those organizations who are trying to defend their position, it is advisable to carry on the similar strategy what they had when they were trying to reach at that level. Similarly, Miles and Snow, they suggest that some organizations, they are a type of prospector in the market with a strategy of innovation and operating in a dynamic market. Some organizations are trying to defend their position, while the other organizations are prospectors. They see the potential in the future. They might be investing in innovation, research and development, and focusing on bringing new products in the market. Would not be you have a different HR strategy if this is your organization strategy or if this is your business strategy. For example, Apple continuously investing in innovation, or whenever they are thinking about a new model of iPhone or a MacBook or something, it is an organization which is continuously investing in innovation. Would not you be have a different type of HR strategy than those who are defending their position in the market? Certainly, yes. So in that case, you might be hiring people who are creative. You might be paying above average rewards and incentives when people are showing or bringing some creative ideas or they are successful in completing some projects innovatively. And the last is analyzer. The analyzer is somebody who is in the middle of defender and prospector. They are working in the market, they are also trying to defend their position or whatsoever they have secured, but at the same time, they are keenly observing the prospectors. They are keenly observing what prospectors are looking for or what they are inventing. They might imitate their products faster than any other organization. So those who are analyzers, they might need a different type of HR strategy than those like defenders and prospectors. Thank you.